Okay, well, I see it's not going to focus very well. Let's see if I get closer. Yeah. Okay, Kyle, oil it up. Couple drops. You should see the drops. Leave your tip up a little bit. There you go. Beautiful. We'll get the lower one. I mentioned in the other video years ago that I thought these were babbited, but they're not. I said babbited, but they're bronze bushed. Beautiful, Kyle. See if you can get the other side. I'm making a new video because I made a seat frame that might have resembled it back in the day. I still believe this thing was made for retail by Montgomery Ward's or Sears. It surely is a kit. The flywheel is 60 pounds, and it is some repurposed parts in here. That's for sure. But there's a lot of castings, small castings beside the flywheel, that show that there was more than one made. Okay, Kyle. Climb on and let's see how it works. Just go slow. Don't even cut anything yet. I want to show the action of the system. Uh-oh. That's okay. Okay, it's a perforated belt. Slower, Kyle, slower. It's a perforated belt around a wood axle with nails that were driven in, it looks like. Correctly spaced. I'm not sure what this other pulley on this side was. It may have had another attachment on this thing because it's a grooved pulley. But anyway, it's old bicycle pedals and old bicycle gear. You can crank it up a little bit now if you want, Kyle. Got all the original, well, it's got a lot of the original paint on it. Mortise and tendon construction. The table is 48 inches off the floor. You got to have a stool to get on the thing. Keep going, Kyle. I'm gonna have to warm up for actual wood cutting. The seat and the frame, of course, and the seat frame in the back is what it wasn't included when I bought the saw. I made it up. Okay, we'll take a look at this side. Here's the bell crank side. Now this upper part here, it has the blade holder in it. That's some kind of a rifle or some kind of a carbine shell ejector or shell ejector or receiver. It's machined in a manner to, like you would see a part that would eject shells. Plus, all the parts on it are serial numbered, stamped serial numbers. So that's definitely repurposed from something, from a weapon, I believe. The stroke is about 2 1/4 inches on it. I went through and aligned everything years ago, and had to put some lock nuts on a lot of stuff. A lot of nuts wouldn't stay tight. Has a little cast iron fitting for the foot. Hold down the piece that you're working on. Okay, Kyle, give us a couple of cuts. Crank it up a little bit. And you gotta set it down and make sure you set it on the table. There you go. Okay, give us another one. This is just 1 pine, of course. Go ahead. Give yourself a workout. It's about 28 inches from this post here to the blade, so you could work on some pretty big stuff. Okay, Kyle, that's long enough. I'm gonna bore him to death. Okay, thanks for watching our video.